Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Expobar espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Just at 10 bars of pressure. Boiler's at 1.2. I think I put a little bit too much coffee in it. It's a little slow. I don't usually pull shots with a triple basket, but you can see it's working well. Nice strong steam. Hot water is working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.